Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful cute crochet mushroom toy. It's easy, fun and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Materials needed. For this project you will need orange yarn and brown yarn, a crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle for sewing. Starting the mushroom cap. Part 1. We shall start by making the mushroom cap, the top part. Using your red yarn, make a magic ring. Now chain 2 and crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight to close the circle. Increasing the cap size. In the next row, we shall increase the size of the cap. Do 2 single crochets in each stitch. Now you shall have 12 stitches. For the next row, increase every second stitch. Continue increasing until the cap is the size you want. Next we shall make the little white spots on the mushroom cap. Take your white yarn and crochet small circles. Make a magic ring, chain 2 and do 4 single crochets. Make a few of these to place around the cap later. Making the mushroom stem. Now let's make the stem using a yarn. Start with the magic ring again. Chain 2 and make 6 single crochets. In the next row, increase to 12 stitches just like the cap. Continue crocheting around without increasing until the stem is long enough. Sewing the parts together. Now it's time to put everything together. Use your yarn needle and white yarn to sew the stem to the cap, then sew the little white spots onto the mushroom cap. Finishing touches. After sewing everything together, check if any loose ends are sticking out. If there are, tuck them in or trim them with your scissors. Your cute crochet mushroom is almost ready. Showcasing the finished toy. Look at that, you have made an adorable crochet mushroom toy. It's perfect for decoration, as a gift, or just for fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Happy crocheting!